Hi guys, in this video we will see how to scan for hardware changes in your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you have installed or uninstalled any hardware in your system, then you must scan your system for hardware changes. Here are the process. There are two methods. The first one is right click on a start button and choose device manager. A scan for hardware changes directed from device manager. Here go to your section which you have recently changed, installed or uninstalled driver. Simply select it, right click on it and choose a scan for hardware changes. The another method is select this and go to top menu bar under action menu. You will find a scan for hardware changes. So you can easily scan your system for any hardware changes. The second method is through command prompt windows. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. And in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on screen. pnputil.exe/scan devices. Execute this command. Simply this command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there and simply paste it in command prompt windows and press enter. It will scan your system for any hardware changes and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. So you can easily scan your system for any hardware changes, installation or uninstallation any device driver. You must scan your system. That's all.